Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms, or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, speaking of reports, we have a new report out to subscribers tonight on a biotech with catalyst, particularly earnings coming on Thursday. Last year, they announced net revenue of $122.6 million for the year ending December 31st, 2022, as compared to $79 million for the prior year. That's an increase of approximately 55%. The company has cash equivalents and marketable equity securities of $17.4 million and working capital of $44.6 million as of December 31st. The CEO was just named by Inc. magazine as one of the top 10 innovative healthcare leaders to watch in 2023. They paid 2 dividends last year and just last week received a $20 price target. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. This is a stock that you will want to research before the opening bell tomorrow. Well, today was a good day here at InsiderFinancial.com. We saw some movement in names from our weekend. First up was Bed Bath & Beyond, up 51% today. This is after a 33% move on Friday. Folks are still thinking they're going to get something out of bankruptcy. That is not going to happen. Trade it, don't own it. This is more of just OTC traders just love a former Nasdaq runner. Next up is ENZC, up 28%. A lot of things happening here. We got coming up an ENZC purchase agreement. Execution of the SPAC agreement is expected in 10 days. Dividend to be announced after. We also have a quarterly filing due next week. $250 million SPAC deal. Company also put out a press release today. Number one, will be conducting trials at BNC for effectiveness on diabetes. First ITV1 revenue order will be delivered on May 10th. Working with EMA for ITV1 European clinical trials and completing application with FDA for 2 new products. So this is the real deal on the OTC. One of the few real deals. I think this is one of the best plays on the OTC. We've covered this one a lot in the past. There's a lot of devoted shareholders in this one. You got the ENZC army. Love seeing this price action for them. And guys, it started out, on today. I mean, it was as low as almost 2 cents last year. We're at 11 cents now. This one has blue sky ahead. There's a lot of upside potential, a lot of catalysts, and this is one you certainly are going to want to research and put on your watch list. So great play here with ENZC. Next up is CVNA, Carvana, just squeezing the shorts today. I am playing with $10 calls. They were up 273%. These expire on Friday. Hoping for some more movement in Carvana this week. 50% of the float is short. Had good earnings last week. So again, I like the price action in Carvana. Next up is ATLX, lithium play, guys. As I say, Play green, not red. We had 3 days major sell-off action down to under $15. Nice bounce up to $30. Love this. It trades like a penny stock, but it's trading here at $27.94. Again, play green, not red. Great momentum player. Congrats to all that are banking in ATLX. We also saw some movement in GNS, up 8% today, DPLS up 6%, GFAI up 5%, top up 2%, and BBAI up 1%. So these are names continue to watch this week. Right now, no position. Saw weakness today in regional banking stock, Carl Icahns, IEP, SMMT, and BAOS. Again, when you see this red, don't go in dip buying. Wait for a green day. Wait for that breakout. Wait for that confirmation that there is buying in these names. These are all about momentum. Either the momentum's there or it's not. So, on a lot of these names, if I'm trading them, I use a very tight stop loss because I look at it, either the trade's going to work out or it's not. And if it works out, I'm looking for that nice move higher, hopefully get a multi-day runner. That is the goal here at InsiderFinancial.com for our subscribers. But some new names to add to your watch list for tomorrow are Palantir, PLTR. Big earnings beat. Stock is up 26% in after-hours trading. The company reported first quarter results that topped expectations and raised its full-year outlook. For the period ending March 31st, Palantir earned an adjusted 5 cents per share on $525.19 million in revenue, topping estimates of 4 cents per share in adjusted earnings and $505.94 million in revenue. During the period, Palantir generated $236 million in commercial revenue, including $107 million from U.S. commercial revenue. Government-related revenue rose 20% year over year to $289 million, including $230 million from the U.S. government. The company said its customer count rose 41% year over year and 7% sequentially, ending the period with 155 customers. For the full year, Palantir now expects sales to be between $2.185 billion and $2.235 billion, up from a prior view of $2.18 billion to $2.23 billion. It also expects second quarter revenue to be between $528 million and $532 million, compared to $536.2 million expectations before. Nice chart here. We get above 9. We're really going to make a nice move here. The 150-day moving average is $7.77. Closed right under there today. So again, I think we're going to go into a bull market here, and we got some shorts in Palantir. So let's squeeze the shorts this week in Palantir. Next up is LGMK, closed at $3.10, getting some after hours, just a 480,000 share float. Looks like a pump is coming. Just a $3.8 million market cap, trading undervalued here, 0.3 times sales, 0.07 times book, 0.5 times cash. It's got $5.69 in $5.69 per share in cash, no debt. There's a lot to like with this one, so let's see if get some eyeballs on LGMK and see if we can get this low float moving. Next up is Fisker. I talked about this one last week. The Ocean was delivered. Earnings out tomorrow. 38% of the float is short. Been climbing off of got as low as $4.26 last month. We're here at $6.62. Breakout. We've got trend line. Got resistance here. The next major resistance here on Fisker. This is the 150-day moving average, right at $6.88. So we need to clear 7, and then can really make a run here in Fisker. IMPP next up had earnings this morning. They were pretty good. The company reported net income of $335.7 million for the first quarter of 2023 and solid operating results. So this is an oil and gas play. Always gets moving. This one has a history of spikes. So let's see if we can get this one moving also. The 150-day moving average is $4.17. That is your next resistance. So that's what we will be watching there. So we got some resistance, but again, you got 6% of the float is short. And this one has a history of price spikes. So be watching this one tomorrow. Next up is FUBO. Talked about this one last week. Had good earnings. 15% of the float is short. Nice bounce off the $1. We got going to run into some resistance at 227, but it looks like this one wants $3. So that's where the major resistance here is, at $3. If we get above there, could really spike back to the 52-week highs of around $8. So be watching FUBO this week. Also, lastly, but not least, is DBGI. This is a name guest contributor is covered a lot on InsiderFinancial.com. The chart looks really good on this one. Like the price action, low float, a lot of stuff going on with DBGI. Is the buyout coming? The CEO's been on Twitter. He's been trying to really talk about what's going on. I keep saying that there's companies circling for a buyout, but nothing has materialized. But, it looks like, what can't go lower must go higher. It looks like the selling has exhausted. The shorts have exhausted themselves, and we're starting to turn. So I like the price action, up 22% this today. Let's see if we can get some nice movement going in DBGI this week. So put it on your radar screen, guys. But the big highlight for tomorrow is our new earnings play for this week. And again, guys, just click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. You can even sign up to read our report and unsubscribe. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime, guys. Well, guys, finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye.